So pretty much all you're gonna do is you're gonna heat it up a few seconds on high. And then you're gonna wanna scrape it. It's gonna come off pretty easy. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna heat up the corner with this shit, and then I'm gonna scrape it off with one of these. So it's working. I didn't think it was gonna work this good, but this is just a couple minutes. So this shit is taking a lot longer than I thought, but it's going good. Got most of it out. Just the back seat. Now I'm gonna work on that side over there, and then after I'm done with that, I'm gonna work forward and then be done, hopefully. So this is how it looks so far. Really effective. Now I just need to take off the glue pretty much, but I removed all of it except for here. I need to hit it again because it's like really thick glue. I don't know why. It's looking good. Just need to do the front now. Bucket full. I don't know how much it weighs, but that shit's heavy. So now I'm gonna try some Gugon and then WD-40. See what works out. Look at that. Look at the difference. Obviously it's still not done. Still need to scrape some off. I ran out of WD-40 because I only have this little container. I don't even know what to use. I'm not even gonna fuck with the Gugon because like whatever, the WD-40 works. Like I'm gonna start up tomorrow.